Hi guys, welcome back to Automobile Infos. So today while driving I got a notification and it's pretty good. So here if you see in settings, I have system updates. Finally the first OTA has come to the BE6 Batman Edition. The normal BE6 Pack 3 has been getting OTA updates, but this is the first one for the Batman Edition. Now the update downloads while you're driving, and it also prepares to install. It can prepare to install while you're driving, but for it to install your car needs to be. So now you can see download complete. If I click on proceed, your vehicle should be stationary, park brake should be engaged, and gear should be in park condition. So vehicle battery should be greater than 60%. Only then will I be able to install this. So let me put this on charging first and then I'll update you. So as I see here, it does say that vehicle battery is greater than 60%, but mine is at 47 and still it is giving me the option to install. So you don't really need 60% of charging. It happens anyways. So as you can see, it says installing system update 3 of 7. A few alerts have come here. The front camera radar is inoperative. Here also you can see, and even on this side you can see. So while updating, alerts can pop up. It's not an issue. It's saying time remaining 7 hours and the system will restart after the update. Well, right now I don't have time to update it. It's going to require at least 1 or 2 hours. It says 7 hours, but from what others have observed, it takes usually about 1 to 2 hours. So what happens if you stall it in between? Well, that's what we're gonna see. So it says do not do ignition off, but if I do, basically nothing will happen. You'll have to start it over again. So to install the OTA update, you don't have to press the brake and start your car. You just have to turn this on. It should not be ready to drive. So now, so when you start it without pressing the brake, the car can only go to park and you can press the brake and shift it to neutral as well. But it has to be in park for you to update the car. Then you can go here, then vehicle apps, settings. Now this takes some time to sync. After 2 minutes the update will show here. As you can see, after a couple of minutes it starts installing. As I showed in the earlier clip, all the conditions were met. So now this is updating. Right now the time is 3:02 p.m. So let's say I started at 3 p.m. We'll see how much time this takes to install. So as you can see, it's 5/7. It's been 40 minutes, and so these alerts are coming in between. The car also went to safe mode, but all of these things are normal when an OTA update is happening because it plays around with the settings of your car. Once your update is complete, all the alerts should go away. So as you can see now, the number of alerts have increased so much. Almost every alert is coming, and there's also loud fan noise coming from the front of the car. Again, this is completely normal. You don't need to worry about it. Just let the update complete on its own. So now the AC has also stopped working. As you can probably hear, there's no air coming from it. And this is the screen right now. It shows time remaining 1 hour, and I've been in the car for almost 1 hour. So as you can see, it now says installing system update 7/7 and the time remaining is 0 seconds. Now I am just waiting that the system will restart on its own. I don't want to do anything that will mess it up, so I'll keep you updated. So the system didn't actually restart, it actually just said that updated successfully, and now it's saying your system is up to date. I'll go through everything and I'll tell you what all's new.